I'm doing Life of a Squishy Scammer. So let's get started. Oh my god. Someone ordered for me. They want one jumbo toast, a jumbo macaron, a cloud, a donut, cookies, and then extras. Uh-oh. What am I gonna do? That's it. Cool 109. That's a good name. Right. Paper. There we go. I'm gonna give this for extra. They should be happy. It's a pretty good extra. Well, I used to have a clown, but this was the cloud, so I guess this was fine. They wanted 2 cookies. I have these homemade cookies. Here's the donut, I guess. This is my favorite, so be happy.